In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily import JSON files into Elementor or WordPress. This is a helpful skill for anyone looking to enhance their website efficiently by utilizing pre-made templates. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just getting started, this guide will streamline the process for you. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to your website's WordPress login page. This is where all the magic begins. Enter your credentials to log in securely. If you ever find yourself stuck at this step, be sure to double check your password and username or reach out to your website administrator for assistance. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard, which is like the control room of your website. From here, your journey begins. The dashboard is designed to make navigation straightforward, so start by scanning for a section called Templates. It's usually located in the sidebar. Go ahead and click on it. Templates are pre-designed setups that save you time and effort in designing common web pages. They can be a game changer, especially if you aim to maintain consistency across your site. Once you click on Templates, a drop-down should open showcasing various options. Your target here is Save Templates, so click on it to proceed. Inside the Save Templates section, you'll see a catalogue of templates that are already part of your WordPress library. However, today our goal is to enrich this library by importing a new JSON file. To do this, look out for a button that says Import Templates. It's usually prominently displayed because Elementor understands how vital importing can be for users looking to expand their design toolkit. When you click Import Templates, a window will pop up prompting you to choose a file from your device. This is where you'll select the JSON file you want to import. Make sure beforehand that your JSON file is readily accessible on your device to avoid any unnecessary searching. After selecting the file and confirming the import, Elementor does the rest of the work for you. It'll upload the template and soon enough you'll see it listed among your other saved templates. From here you can freely customize and apply it to your pages as needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported a JSON file into your WordPress Elementor. This simple method helps enhance your web pages with engaging designs, saving you time and allowing creativity to flourish within the framework of your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more invaluable tips on managing your WordPress site. See you in the next video.